So how's it going, everybody? Ben here, and today I want to talk to you real quick about the real estate market here in Knoxville compared to the rest of the country, and how much stronger we are compared to everybody else. Listen, the total number of homes available for sale right now overall has been a decline. It's been declining at an accelerating pace. Look, nationally, inventory decreased by 15.3% year over year, meaning compared to last year. That's a faster rate of decline compared to the 13.6% year over year for January. The median U.S. listing price, it grew by 3.9% to $310,000 in February, which is a slight acceleration compared to last month when the median listing price only grew by 3.4% over the last year. In February, listing prices in the largest metros, or the biggest cities, grew by 6.5% on average. Nationally, homes sold in about 80 days in February. That's 3 days more quickly than last year. The average 30-year fixed rate mortgage hit a record 3.29% this week. That's the lowest level in a nearly 50-year history. Meanwhile, mortgage applications increased by 10% from this last week from a year ago. So there are no signs of a slowing down in this economy. And given these strong indicators in rates and in sales, as well as a recent increase in new construction, it's pretty clear that the housing market is going to continue being a pretty strong and positive force for the broader economy overall. Still, in Knoxville, the typical home in February accepted their first app offer, meaning that they got one offer and they took it, and they did that in an average of 63 days, meaning in 63 days from going active to going pending. And on average, they took 98% of asking price, or 2% less than what the seller wanted. Last month, 1,344 homes either sold or went pending, leaving 1,037 homes on the market. And then when you add the 755 new homes on the market, that leaves us with 2,062 available homes for sale. So that gives us a current absorption rate, or months of inventory, of 1.79 months. So if no new homes came on the market, that's about how fast homes would sell out. Less than 2 months, we would run out of homes to sell. That's a 24% decrease from last year, or an 8.9% decrease from January. Nationally, the absorption rate is 3.5%, a 1% decrease for the nation as a whole from 2019. So a quick translation of this is that the market still has very low inventory, which is driving home prices up and making it hard for buyers to find a home to buy. With the time on market going a little bit longer, we do see a slight tick away from the homes moving like hotcakes. And I don't think it's not as much as the buyer demand is going away. It's that a lot of buyers are dropping out because they're not getting the homes they want, and they're stepping away from the market and waiting a little bit. However, with this drop recently in interest rates from the feds due to the failing stock market and the COVID-19 scare, the feds, they're pushing lower interest rates, which means that buyer traffic is going to start picking up, indicated by the uptick in the 10% growth in applications. So it's going to start buzzing again. Things are about to start picking up. So listen, whether you're thinking about buying or you just want to refinance your current loan on whatever it is you own, you should really reach out to a lender and talk to them about it, because interest rates are incredibly low. And just so you know, Keller Williams, we have our own mortgage company that I could be happy to hook you up with if you give me a call as a client and if you're looking to buy a home. So listen, if you are thinking about buying a home, you should definitely reach out to me. Our Keller Williams team is top in the Southeast of all Keller Williams teams, from the top 5%. I think we're in the top 5 teams generally. And we're in the top growth. We're the top brokerage in this Knoxville market, outpacing the market by 33% in growth. We're selling more homes. We're helping more buyers, just closing more transactions overall. than any other team in this Knoxville market. And again, we're in the top 5 of the entire Southeast. It's an entire SEC. Listen, if you would like to sit down with me and talk to me about how I can help you sell your home or help you as a buyer get great financing and get you into the home of your dreams, give me a call. I would love to sit down and talk to you. If you know someone I can help out, I'd love to talk to them. Listen, it's 100% no pressure situation. I would never try to push you. My goal is just to give you the proper information so you can make the best decision for yourself and for your family. And listen, I treat every client like a VIP. I don't care if you're buying a $100,000 home or $1 million home. You get the same treatment from me. You get the same attention to service. You get the same open communication. And always, like I said, we are creating opportunity one client at a time, and I want to start that with you, okay? I hope you got a lot out of this month's market update. I know I went pretty fast, but I'm trying to keep these videos short. If you have any questions at all, email me, call me, text me. The information is in the description down there or up there, depending on where you're watching this. And I truly appreciate your time. I hope you're having an amazing March. I hope February was good. I hope January is good. I hope you're looking forward to an awesome 2020. I'd love to help you make that better. Hit me up anytime.